Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Vietnamese chili salt grilled chicken. This recipe gives you incredibly flavorful chicken with a hint of spiciness. The skin turns golden and crispy, while the inside stays juicy and moist. It's seriously mouth-watering. Let me walk you through how I make it. There are many ways to make a chili salt marinade, but for 1.5 kilograms of chicken today, I'm using a base of salt and chili, plus a few familiar spices. I'll pop the exact amounts on the screen for you. It's super simple. Just pound all the marinade ingredients together, except for the fish sauce and oils. If you happen to have soy seeds, Machilia tonkinensis, go ahead and add some in while pounding. They give the chicken a lovely aroma when grilled. Once everything is nicely blended, transfer it to a bowl. Then stir in the fish sauce, cooking oil, and annatto oil for color. You can also use rendered chicken fat instead of oil. Trust me, it adds amazing flavor and gives the chicken that beautiful golden tone. Start by rinsing your chicken with salted water or ginger-infused rice wine to get it really clean. Make a few slits in the breast to help the marinade soak in and to cook more evenly. Place the chicken in a large bowl and pour the marinade all over it. Rub it thoroughly inside and out. Let it marinate for at least 1 hour, but if you've got the time, longer is better to really let those flavors sink in. I've marinated this chicken for 3 hours already. Now I'm going to grill it in an air fryer. Before placing it on the rack, make sure to remove any chunks of lemongrass, garlic, chili, or lime leaves stuck to the surface. These can burn easily and make the chicken taste bitter. Lay the chicken breast side up and spread it out a bit for a nicer shape. Brush on some marinade. I'm setting the temperature to 155 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. This slow roast helps the chicken cook evenly from the inside out. After 25 minutes, I flip the chicken over and set it to 160 degrees Celsius for another 10 minutes. While we wait, I'm making a finishing glaze by mixing a tablespoon of honey with a tablespoon of annatto oil. Stir it well. We'll brush this onto the chicken skin later to give it a beautiful glossy finish and to keep it moist. Since the chicken's already well seasoned, the honey adds just a touch of sweetness to balance the bold chili salt flavor. After 10 minutes, the chicken is cooked through, but I want the skin to be more vibrant. So I'm brushing that honey annatto glaze all over the skin and giving it one last blast, 5 more minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And there it is. Just look at this beautiful grilled chicken, golden, fragrant, and with that perfect char. I'm plating it on a traditional bamboo tray with all the fixings. This chili salt grilled chicken is bold and flavorful. The meat is tender and juicy. I love serving it with fresh cucumber, herbs like mint, cilantro, Vietnamese coriander, and of course, that lime chili pepper dipping sauce if you want even more punch. I also like making sticky rice and crushed sesame peanut dip to go with it. Such a satisfying combo. I hope this recipe hits the spot for you and gives you a great dish to share with family and friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.